Sure, here's a sample script for a parade inspection during a morning assembly. Master of Ceremonies, MC. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have the honor of conducting a parade inspection during our morning assembly. Please stand for the inspection. MC, we would like to welcome position who will be conducting the inspection today. Name. Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here for this parade inspection. I kindly ask for your attention and cooperation as we proceed. Name. First, we will inspect the uniformity of our marching band. Band members, attention! Please ensure your uniforms are properly worn and all instruments are in order. Name. Next, we will move on to our color guard. Color guard, attention! Please ensure your flags are held high and with pride. Name. Now, let's focus on our student council members and any other representatives. Please stand tall and proud as you represent our school. Name. Lastly, a big round of applause for all of our participants who have put in the effort to make this assembly special. Let's give them a round of applause. MC. Thank you. Name. For leading the parade inspection. Let's give another round of applause to all our participants for their dedication and hard work. MC. Now everyone, please remain standing for the national anthem. Feel free to customize this script as needed for your specific event or school.